Hey gang, want to give you a little bit of feedback today. 704 Tactical reached out to me as a longtime user of their knives and gifted me this knife for a little bit of feedback. And so I want to give that to you today. Give this a little bit of an unboxing. All right, I've been playing with this now for a couple minutes and absolutely love this. This is their Wildcat Lite edition. This is designed to be their compact version of their full-size Wildcat one. It's meant for everyday carry, simple, easy to carry pocket knife. Closed, it measures about 3 3/4. Measures about 3 3/4 of an inch. Open, it's probably a little under 7 inches total length there. As you can see, it's got this is called a Wharncliffe blade. It's not your traditional rounded pocket knife blade. Instead, it's more of a tactical style with a point on it. I do love the thumb cutout, which makes it nice to rotate out, a little bit easier to rotate out and back in. I do love that there isn't any play in this blade, between the blade and the case here. It's nice and solid, nothing moving, nothing that feels like it needs to be tightened down. The index assisted fold out is pretty easy, pretty smooth. Dude, this blade came razor sharp. It's a little firewood. I think it's gonna work fine. Let's do a little sharpness test though. Oh, yeah, that'll cut. That's right out of the box, gang. No sharpening needed. That knife works great. I think this is a good, solid, everyday carry kind of knife. I actually had a teenager in my house, a family member that's wanting to everyday carry knife, and I think I'm gonna gift this to him. This is Wildcat Lite Edition by 704 Gear.